Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another clean with me, and this was filmed on a Saturday, and so I'm curious to know, what day do you do all of your cleaning before the week ahead? So I'm starting to do the bulk of my cleaning on Saturdays, that way I can relax on Sundays. So I'm curious to know how you do things at your home as well. So I wanted to thank Rose Forever for sponsoring this portion of the video. So I got these roses. They are preserved roses. They last for at least 1 year, and I got mine a few months ago, and I wanted to tell y'all that they still look absolutely amazing. They look exactly the same as they did when I got them. They come in multiple varieties, colors, shapes of the boxes, the fabric of the boxes. They have velvet, they have round boxes, they have hat boxes, they have regular boxes like this. All sorts of different shapes and sizes, and I wanted to let y'all know that because this month is Women's Month, Happy Women's Month, Rose Forever is celebrating by offering our viewers up to 50% off on their website, and a exclusive code Kimmy20 for $20 off. So not only do a variety of their flowers are available at up to 50% off, but you'll get that extra $20 off if you use the code. So if you've ever wanted to celebrate yourself, then I highly suggest you shopping with the link down below. and getting that $20 off so you can get you some beautiful roses that are going to last you an entire year. Alright, the living room is all straightened up, and I also wanted to show y'all my seedlings. I'm so excited, they're doing so well, and I'm actually getting a greenhouse. It should be here in a few days, so I'm super excited to go ahead and get those in the greenhouse and so they can continue to grow out there. But now I'm going to move on to cleaning the kitchen. So hopefully this video is motivating you so far. If it is and you're new here, I would love it if you subscribe. And if you like videos like this, it would mean the world to me if you share it with one of your friends, because it would help out my channel like tremendously. So thank you so much for doing that as well.
You think you know me, as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly, no, 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 cutting my ties with you, that I'm done, but I'm not done. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. Gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up yet on you. In the name of love, in the name of love, in the name of love, in the name of love. I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin, just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin, just spin for me. Won't you? I know it's hard for you to give it a try, but you are not alone. I'm here with you. I think you owe it to this beautiful night to lose all your control. Do it for you. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you? Don't be afraid, just let go of your fears, 'cause you know you can do it, baby. Dance them away. Now you know how it feels. Now you know you can do it, baby. And let the music begin. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you?
Alright, so I haven't talked too much in this video, and that's because there's a lot of noise outside today. But hopefully you've enjoyed it. And before I leave, I just wanted to remind you, if you want some roses, definitely my suggestion would be to go to Rose Forever, because their roses are really beautiful. And y'all, I have bought, you know, fresh roses from the grocery store, and especially during Valentine's Day, they were like $50 for 2 like little bouquets, you could say. So I'm thinking about it in my head, it's like, yeah, Rose Forever roses are actually super affordable if you like to have roses all year round, because you buy them once and they last so long, at least a year, but I feel like they're gonna last a lot longer than that. So I will see y'all next time. I'm gonna show you a little after clips of the house, and I'm so happy that it's all cleaned. I hope your house was able to get cleaned up too. and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy,